I got some real Shims. They're water damaged, so they were a lot cheaper, but it doesn't affect how good they work. They're just as good as if they weren't. Look like this compared to my beer can ones. They're a lot smaller and easier to work with, also stronger, like aluminum, made out of spring steel. Now, some advantages to this type is not only does it do regular combination locks a lot faster, and you don't need pliers, but it also does regular square locks, which this could never do. I'll try it with this one. Oh, yeah, that didn't go very well. Okay. Now I'll try with the new Shim. This one, new Shim. Here we go. One more time. Okay. Now I've also got a brand new padlock, or combination lock. Now, this one's made out of aluminum, so it's a lot softer and the opening is a lot bigger. This is made out of steel and a lot more well made. The opening is very small and hard to get anything down there. Now, a Shim, this would not work for this one. Okay. But this new Shim will. One more time. Okay. So these are a lot better than my regular homemade ones, and they were considerably cheap. You can also get about anywhere from 5 to 10 or even 15 uses out of these.